Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is some of what I'm doing while I'm sequestered, isolated, secluded at the farm. This is that piece of wood. It broke in two actually, and I glued it back together. The patina on it was just so beautiful. But I cut those letters out of old rusty roof tin, and see, I got a little dragonfly. That was, I don't know, I think I was at an auction. It was in a box I bought, but I kept it. I said, there'll be something I'll need that for. And no, I'm not a hoarder, so I put a few flowers on the bottom of it. I got that one I painted. No, I'm not an artist. I cheat, and I'll show y'all how I cheated. Let me show you something else. This is a tractor seat. I bought it from a major chain farm supply store, and it was on discount. I think I got it for 10 bucks. Well, I liked it, but I said, there's something more it can be. I kind of get these feelings, visions, I don't know what you'd call them, delusional rants, more like it maybe. But I said, that thing could be teaked out a little bit and something more done with it. So I put it on this barn board and did these log frames on it. There's no way to get a good joint on a frame. If you are, you're a better person than me, and this will sell just like it is. But all this is going to be a new thing I'm going to do on here. But I don't know if y'all remember the two deer skulls I put on barnboard wood. Well, I sold those. Carried them to the flea market, and I put a price of $350 on those. Okay, I'd paid for that barn board, and I didn't have a lot in the barn board, and glue and nails, and the skulls were free. So let's say I had 10 bucks in the whole project, and my time, maybe 2 hours, 20 bucks. Well, I put that price tag at $350 on that. The lady came by and looked at it, and I spoke to her. I always acknowledge people when they come to my booth. I'm at the flea market. She come back and she said, "Sir," she said, "I'd like to make you an offer on this." I said, "Yes, ma'am." She said, "I can't go a dollar above $2.90 on it." I said, $2.90? She said, "Yes, sir." I said, "Ma'am, I'm going to have to let you have it." Excuse me. And she went in, paid for it, and left it there. She had other shopping to do, and she pulled up there in her car, and I loaded it up for her. But that was going to my feral cat rescue and feeding program. And let me show you some more. This is shelving board. A guy had some shelves in his garage, and he was giving them away free on Craigslist. And I was fortunate enough to get them. I took them apart and stacked them in here. Well, what I'm going to start doing on this series, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get free stuff, upcycle it, get y'all to help me make some decisions on how I do it, and even on the pricing, what y'all think the best price would be for it. And normally I've got little or nothing in this. I'm not worried about getting my money or time back, but I'm just doing it more as a way we can have a little bit of fun. And but I'm gonna make some different type shelves out of these I happen to run across, and I like the way they look. And if you look down there in the thumbnail of this picture, those will be the shelves I'm gonna make with this. I've got nothing in the wood, and glue and screws, if I use any, maybe $5, and y'all will set the price. And I'm not worried about getting that $5 back. I'm just wanting us to see what we can do with this stuff. And the thing what I want you to learn most from this series is you can do this stuff too. If you need extra money, if you got some skills, you can do this stuff. It's not that I'm talented in any way. It's just that I'm an expert copier. I'm lazy too. I'll figure out the easiest way to do something. And but I'm going to start with this shelving project first. And until the flea market opens back up, I'll just be kind of inventorying stuff. That's what I'm mainly doing. I'm just building up stuff for inventory, so when the flea market hopefully does open back up and the world starts up again, we'll be able to see what we can get for this stuff at the flea market. And stuff like this will help me fund my cat feeding and rescue program. And not that it's going to be a big program by any means, but it gives me a lot of joy being able to feed some cats. And when I come up there and they see me and they recognize me as being a food source, there's nothing in the world like that feeling. But anyway, that's what we got right now. And I appreciate y'all stopping by and listening to me. This is kind of a longer video than my usual, so I apologize about that. But thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. Be well and safe, my friends. God bless you.